Hi everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs.
And I'm Anna James, and we're from Lexus of Jacksonville in the technology department.
And today we're going to be showing you how to use the display options in your Lexus.
With that being said, let's get right into the video.
Alright everyone, the first thing we need to do is press menu and select setup.
In setup, we're going to make sure we're in the general tab. In general, we'll select display.
Here in display, we can change the brightness and contrast of our infotainment screen under general.
Under camera, we can change the brightness and contrast of our backup camera quality.
Screen off gives us the option to turn the screen completely black. If this screen is too distracting, this would be a viable option to minimize distracted driving.
Pressing any physical buttons, such as map, your screen will return to its on position.
Lastly, we have our day mode option. Your day mode option will only show itself when your Lexus senses a darker light setting around the vehicle. Day mode returns your infotainment screen to its brighter setting and daytime theme.
Okay everybody, this has been Morgan Meggs
And Anna James,
showing you how to use the display options in your Lexus.
thank you for watching.
What? Oh, sorry, you weren't supposed to see any of that. You got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know. If you'll excuse me. Yeah.